So today we'll solve JAM 2021 Mathematical Statistics question paper. So we'll start solving. So the first question is, the value of limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 1 by n into 1 plus 2 by n up to 1 plus n by n and whole raised to power 1 by n is what? So to solve this question, by n, so 1 plus n by n and the whole power is 1 upon n. We can write this is the question. So limit n tends to infinity, we can write these are products. We can write product symbol 1 plus k by n. K start from 1 up to n, and the whole power is n. So let's name it L. Limit L. Power is 1 upon n. So we can take log both sides to bring that power 1 upon n below. So let's take the log L is equal to, when you take log, so it will be limit n tends to infinity, 1 by n will come outside, log of product 1 plus k by n, and k from 1 to n, and whole power is, so we are taking, so power we have taken outside, this is 1 by n because we have taken log. So now log L will be equal to limit n tends to infinity 1 by n, and log of product will be summation of logs. So it will be summation log 1 plus k by n. You know, log a into b is equal to log a plus log b. Same thing, generalized. There are n terms into product. We are taking log. So all will be coming to summation. Summation k from 1 to n. This thing. Now there is a formula. So this thing we can write as this is log. So k by n will convert into x. So it will be log 1 plus x dx. And limit of x will be, so since k is from 1 to n, so limit will be from 0 to 1. So this is integral. How it comes? So there is a formula f of k by n, 1 by n, limit n tends to infinity, and still we have summation here. So k from 1 to n. So this converts into integral 0 to 1 f of x dx. So I use this formula. So what happens? K by n is x actually. So when k is 1, it is 1 by n. And n tends to infinity, it will make it 0. That's why lower limit is 0. And k is from 1 to n. When we put k is equal to n, so it will be n by n 1. So x will be 1 in that case when k is n. So you just remember this formula. So now I have limit, now I have integral 0 to 1 log of 1 plus x dx. So how can we integrate this? So to integrate this function, we have the we can use product rule, I mean by parts. So log 1 plus x outside, integral of 1 is x, minus differentiation of log 1 plus x is 1 upon 1 plus x, integral of 1 is x dx. And limit is from 0 to 1. I applied by part rule, u into v. So v as it is, u integration minus differentiation of u, integration of v, then so further it will be log 1 plus x into x minus, and if we can write it x upon 1 plus x as 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus x. After integration 1. So it is x log 1 plus x minus. So integral of 1 is x, integral of 1 upon 1 plus x is log 1 plus x. And the limit is 0 to 1. So if you open this bracket, so it will happen x log 1 plus x minus x plus log 1 plus x. So limit is between 0 to 1. Now upper limit minus lower limit. So in place of x, we will replace 1. So it will be 1 into log 2 minus 1 plus log 2. So upper limit minus lower limit. Everywhere in place of x, we will replace 0. So it will be 0 into log 1 minus 0. So everything will be 0. So now after simplifying, it is log 2 plus log 2. 2 log 2 minus 1. And 2 log 2 can be written as log 4 minus 1. Okay. And log 1 we can write, so log 4, log 1 is nothing but log e. So here base is e, so log e is 1 because base is e. So what we got? So I was started with log, I have taken log here. So log L we get, so log L we get as log 4 minus log e. This is log 4 minus log e. So we can write log 2 minus log b is log 3 upon e. So 4 by e. Log we can cancel. So L is equal to 4 upon e. So L was the question, limit I started. So L I named the question. So the value of limit. So answer in the first question is, answer for the first question. Let's see which option is this. So the option here is D. So first question has option D. Let's start with second question. So the second question is, f is from R to R. If function is fx is equal to x raised to 7 plus 5x cube plus 11x plus 15 where x belongs to real number. So which of the following statement is true? Okay, so 1 on 2 we have to check. Since for the on 2 first I will do what? Since this function is of odd degree, so odd degree, so when you take limit x tends to plus infinity, it will give us plus infinity. When we take limit x tends to minus infinity, it will give us minus infinity. Limit of fx. So since function is continuous, that's why. So this function will like something will graph will like this. So this function will give us a range as all real numbers because this is continuous, and at infinity the value is infinity, at minus infinity value is minus infinity. So range is real numbers, and codomain is given as again real number. So since range is equal to codomain, so function is onto. So function is onto. For the 1 thing, so 1 is what? So distinct values of x should have distinct images. So let's find its derivative. So f dash x will be 7 x raised to power 6 plus 15 x squared plus 11, and derivative of 15 is 0. So this is the derivative of the function, and you can see x6 x squared 11 all are positive. So that's why this function is positive, means f dash x is positive for all x belongs to real number. For all x belongs to real number. This means what? Means this function is a strictly increasing function. So this function is a strictly increasing function. We can see here, I will make the graph already. So this function is strictly increasing function. So strictly increasing function, and as well as it is continuous. So continuous strictly increasing function is going to be 1 always. Continuous and a strictly increasing function on R is 1 So that's why this function is 1 as well as on 2. So answer will be 1 as well as on 2. Both 1 and 2. And the next,